Guys, welcome back. Today's a good day because I'm swapping my handlebars for a set of these. These are 1¼ inch Aliexpress replicas of the Killer Customs bars, I think they are. And they're gonna look pretty good. With the new rear controls on there, all I need to do is get the new lower bars on, and I feel like this is gonna be a pretty sweet setup. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull the screen off, start getting all these controls off, and mock these up, see how they feel. Getting these bars off is very simple. You just take a T45, you've got 4 bolts to get to here, pop those off, and the bars come free. Then we need to get into removing all the kit from the bars itself there. So I just want to test fit my new bars first, so I'm going to pop these off and put this to the side, see how much leeway I have to move it over. With those 4 bolts off, this is going to pop right off. Now the screen is held in by that cable, so you can just kind of put it to the side for now. So I mocked up the bars, they felt okay, which means I'm just going to start pulling these things off and get them ready to put on the next set of bars. So we'll start with the clutch over here, the brake, those will be easy, and then we'll take the mirrors off, we'll pull the handles off, and the control pods themselves. 30 Torx on here, you can just go ahead and take them off. T45 in here, just go ahead and break that off. Once those are off, you'll need to break out a T55 for this. Left side grip off, just pull the cover back here, and there's a little T20 Torx in there. With that out, this just slides right off. I thought I'd have to deal with throttle cables and stuff on this side, but it was pretty easy. There was a T10 Torx screw in there, very small, and another one right here. Once those are out, you can pop this off. This grip comes right out. Now we'll work on getting this control pod off. This control pod, there's a T25 Torx right in there you need to take off, so I hope you've got your T set because that's a lot of different sizes. You're going to pop this off like that, and this will slide right off. Oh, might need a little bit of convincing, but yeah, we can probably get that to slide off. Getting that side off, this side is pretty easy. If you've got a long-headed T25, you can just get right in there without taking this off, and then slide this off. Once you take the bars off, you'll have enough leeway to get this off. Okay, old bars are off. New ones should be pretty easy to get on. So I just got the bars on, adjusted them a little bit. First I had them neutral, but I've dropped the stance on them a little bit, and I think that actually looks a lot better, feels a lot better. Yeah, it looks pretty sinister to me. Let me jump on the bike just to show you what it looks like. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cool, and it's pretty comfortable. And I think I'm all set up. So with the rear controls and the lower bars, this bike is pretty transformed. Can't wait to take it for a ride. And that's what I'm going to do. So if you like what you saw, give me a like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one for whatever I have coming.